Well, as you see, it's working, and I think the issue was the pickups. Hesitating a little, of course, at that point, but otherwise it runs, well, I was going to say it runs pretty well, but see, if I apply a little bit of pressure to those pickups, it will run just fine. Now, I cleaned those wheels and tried to clean the pickups. I guess I'll need to have another go at it, but I think I've just about solved this. Still hesitating a bit, and you know what I did was I resoldered those two wires to the pickups. It's stopped again. And when I put it into reverse, it doesn't. It needs a little bit of encouragement. There you go. It's still hesitant, but as soon as I touch those pickups, it seems to be okay. Also gives me a chance to properly clean these pickups. Very delicate, they do need a little bit of a clean. It looks pretty dirty in there. I don't particularly want to take it apart, but if I have to, I will. Well, it's been running for about 5 minutes in either direction, and it's running smoother. But what I've concluded is that not only is it that those little pickups are extremely delicate, but the commutator is dirty, and rather than take it apart, now this is a similar one, rather than take that apart at this point in time, what I've done is I've gone inside there with the isopropyl and a Q-tip, and I've turned the cogs, and as you can see that causes the commutator to turn, and you know, I've got a number of Q-tips here that are pretty dirty as a result of me putting it in there and putting isopropyl alcohol in there. So there's two things about this. One is those very delicate pickups there, and the second is the commutator. I will eventually, and probably someday soon, take that plate off and clean the commutator. In the meantime, see, it pulls away no problem. An ever so slight hesitancy, but it seems to be working okay, touch wood. So that's another little exercise completed. And if you enjoyed this little series on this Class 47 and that Fleischmann type Ringfield motor, give us a big thumbs up, you know how it works, and we'll catch you next time with the next how to do and problem solver. Bye for now.